Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can react to your Instagram DMs, that is direct messages. So here when I open my Instagram app and when I go to my chat section, here you will see a ton of chats. So when I click on the chat, so if you want to send a love reaction to this message, so for that you need to double click on the message and here you can see that a love reaction has been sent. So if you want to remove this, you need to click on the reaction and then click on your account and it has removed the reaction. So if you want to send another reaction apart from the love one, so for that you need to hold down the message and then here you will see a ton of reactions. But if you want to select another one, you need to click on plus icon and here you will see a ton of other reactions. So if you want to choose this one, so here you can see that I have sent a custom reaction. If you want to again remove it, you need to click on the reaction and then tap on your account. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.